It's likely that Windows 10 will be permanently connected to the internet. Therefore, you'll need to constantly protect against malware, viruses, and hacking attempts. To protect Windows 10 is the Windows Defender Security Suite, which offers a range of security features and is built into Windows 10. These features include virus and threat protection, device performance and health, which will scan and check for issues with storage capacity, battery life, and firewall and network protection, which controls who and what can access your network. You also have accounts and browser control providing protection when online, such as checking for unrecognized as and protecting against malicious sites and downloads, and family options to help protect children when online with features that allow you to manage which sites can be visited, tracking activity, and setting screen times. The Windows Defender Security Suite also includes account protection, providing security for logins, privacy settings, and dynamic lock, which auto-locks devices when they're left unattended. And finally, device security, providing protection by isolating secrets and providing encryption on the device. The Windows Defender client is part of the core Windows 10 security functionality for individual devices. You can enable and manage Windows Defender's features via the Settings app. However, when managing settings within an organization, you'll want to manage settings using Microsoft Intune. Let's take a look at some of the issues associated with using Windows Defender that you may need to troubleshoot. With Intune, you can manage many different Windows Defender settings, such as scheduling scans and limiting CPU usage during those scans. Intune can also monitor and report on the activity from the Windows Defender client that is installed on all enrolled Windows 10 devices. You can then view these monitoring reports by using the Threat Agent Status area within Intune, which will help you identify any issues. Information in the Threat Agent Status report includes reports from the Windows Defender Suite. This includes devices which are pending scans, devices which require a restart, any critical failures, clients, whether Intune Threat Agent is not working, so monitoring is not taking place, and devices where manual steps are required. The Threat Agent Status screen provides useful information to allow you to troubleshoot issues with your devices. If you want to resolve specific issues on a single device, you can also use event logs. Windows Defender events are recorded in the Windows Event Viewer under Applications and Services logs, then Microsoft, then Windows, and then Windows Defender. The log will record the event IDs and the description of the activity, which can be further used to identify and resolve specific issues. You can use the web page on screen to identify and understand event ID numbers related to the Windows event log. Another key component of the Windows Defender Security Suite is the antivirus. Note that this will not run if you already use another third-party antivirus program. In fact, Windows Defender will automatically turn off as soon as it detects another antivirus program running. So, if you see errors related to Windows Defender failures, check to see if someone has installed another antivirus program. You can use the device security area of the Windows Security to view information on the security features of your device's hardware, such as the status of the TPM chip. The TPM, or Trusted Platform Module, is a dedicated security processor which generates and protects cryptographic information that is used to secure your device data and disk drives. If you experience problems with the TPM, you may need to resolve those issues to remain protected. Some typical actions that you can perform with the TPM is that you can clear the contents and reset the TPM. Let's go on to our demo and review the security settings available. I've launched Windows Security, and here we can see the dashboard. Let's drill into the device security and review the current status of this machine. Here we can see the three key parts: core isolation, security processor, and secure boot. I want to troubleshoot the security processor. Therefore, I'll click the link. I can see the status and the specifications for my TPM. I notice that device health is not supported, and I'll click the link to troubleshoot. Here we can see that the device health attestation isn't supported on this device, and also a firmware update is needed for the TPM. There are also links to find more information relating to these issues and an option to clear the TPM.